On a path. That's pretty cool. I've seen something like this, but not that scale.
Look at this.
Why is it so dark right there?
Do you understand? Yeah. Look at that mess. It's a Trident. Field gold by a Trident. On top of an X. That is a Trident. Seriously, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's all one tree. You guys, what the? That's all. Why does there have to be a word on the end?
I was just coming across this. This is so unbelievable. So few people have seen this. If you've seen some of this and remember it, I'll be surprised. And if you have, I apologize. Thank you for. But I have to re-show it because it gets suppressed somehow. Look at that.
I mean, this is unbelievable to me. Look at that. What is wrong with you, you nice, kind person? Are you nice or something? Holy moly. I want to take this time to thank all of you that helped me. I wouldn't be here. That's when people don't think deeply. You know, they don't understand the progression, the amounts of times it takes to locate someplace like this. No person's ever been here before. It took me 5 years to get here. I've been coming here for 5 years, okay? There's no way to do this subject on Sunday, okay? Sure, for yourself, but not if you're going to have people give you money. If you have people help you and give you money, you better come up with something. It just isn't where a deer stopped to sit for 1 second. They just sat in the seats themselves. I got what looks like footprints, not hooves. Yeah, there's too many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a husband and wife. They just found a nice shady spot. Sorry with the camera. There's all kinds of noise until I show you one up there. I'm freaking out. How did that thing? You guys, look at that thing. The deer do that? Look, and then it's been slid over out of all this. That's what I'm noticing.
You guys really take this in. This tree has been slid in the ground while it was standing up.
Look at the disturbances. And then this was literally moved. Look at it. Like that. That one right there. And it's a triangle. Yes, I'm going to be here all day. People don't realize, like, I might spend 10 hours here. Usually not that long, but like I think today 8 hours at least. You think it's not a long time, but staying out here for 8 hours, you don't. There's no breaks. There's no nothing. These are all seats. Seats. Deer were right there. They were just in their seats, in the Bigfoot seats. There's another one right there. Too strategic. That one's fresh right there. See, deer don't clear. These are all of this stuff is coming from where the seats are. See all this? Like he's here, but they don't put that there. Look at this, you guys. Seats. Okay. No one in the world. There they are. You could just tell. There's nothing to do with what's happening there. That's the I don't know if you can see it. Hooves from the deer that were just there. Another seat right there. Another seat. They're all round, by the way. Another seat right there. On the seat, Trident. Keep it short and sweet. There's another one right there. And when I say seat, this is just where he exists, where they're chilling. Seat is just a name. Blatant. Always talk to the birds if you're out here. I don't see that. I don't see that blackness with my eyes. Oh, is that you guys right there? You guys, look at the ground right there. It seems to be coming into focus. It's not perfect, but a little better in the 4K. I don't see anything now. Always check, always look up. I never forget this guy when I first started, Mark. Always look up. That's all he ever said to me. You're missing them all. Always look up. Because I'm in one of the best, most amazing tribal places held for ceremony ever found in the history of the world. It's a challenge. Prove me wrong. Find me that with more than 10 seats underneath it, and then I'll begin to humor you. This whole thing is a distraction, this bird, because they know I know where they are. I saw them. Here, watch this. Look at this go right in here. I gotta keep the clip, I gotta keep the clip short because I'm in 4K, and I gotta film a lot in 4K. Makes it very difficult to edit and process as well. Watch this, you guys. I just want you to get, I'm skipping most of it. I just want to give you an idea, because I'm trying to get somewhere, like somewhere else, something different. Look at that. That's a double Trident X, guys. It doesn't get any better. Look at that. I show that every single time. Oh, by the way, something got thrown before. You could hear it. Sorry, I know it's so annoying and loud. Wait till I show you that over there. Now he's still doing it. Watch this. You guys, look at this double Trident X in 4K. Oh, I can't say that. I didn't say you are. I just said that was stupid. I'm allowed to say if something I said was stupid. Yes. You guys, wait till I show you what's to my right. I've filmed something exactly like it before. Look at this, you guys. This is unreal. I'm telling you, the birds, as soon as I got here, he left. They're telling me which way to go. That's what I think. You guys don't know, I know it sounds crazy. How many times I've just done that, just in case, and it works. Every single time. Not only is that thing, that's a trident going the other way on it. There's a trident right there. Isn't it amazing that every tree leaning here is a trident? There's not one that's not a trident structure. I'm annoying myself with that. It's gonna be so loud on the camera. I'll stop doing it. I gotta go over there. Every single one is a trident. Always look up in the sky behind the tridents. Much harder here. I rarely try to get them on camera here because I might do some zoom to some bushes before, but they have so much time to get ready. If you guys are getting timestamps, remember this, guys, okay? They're letting you see them. They don't have to be on the camera at all. I believe that they're literally, you're being given those images. None of them would be on there if they didn't want it to. Because I usually don't say anything unless I'm almost factual on it. Unless I tell you it's an opinion. You guys, wait for this, okay? I mean, what the fringe? Lunatic fringe? I have filmed the same exact thing before. So many times. But I mean literally the exact same thing. Like you'll know what I mean in a minute. Big shout out to everybody, the members. Thank you guys so much. Look at that. I forget look at this, you guys. It's all off the ground. Oh, this is all seats. Look at that, you guys. How that comes up. Field goal is the trident. Breaks, which probably wasn't supposed to. It was supposed to bend. And then goes into the teepee. Amazing. Trident. Everywhere you look, there's a trident. How significant have tridents been on this earth? Pretty significant, you guys. So many different cultures of the past represent a trident. It sure means something. These guys go crazy with it. Those are seats right there. You guys realize that that's a teepee. These are all seats. Holy sh! There's 100. Look, I'm not going to go around and show you each one, but watch. Let me show you. Because I think with the black and white shadows, you're not going to be able to see them. Let me show you the one. There's at least 100. Look. One right there. There's one right there. They're everywhere. You guys, look. There's one right there. There's one right there. Look at that one. Has no dirt at all. Like, nothing on it. They're all seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It just keeps going and going. There's literally about 100 round circles right here on this. What do you think about that? I guess then I wouldn't, because yes, look at that. Oh, see how when I talk about this, it could only mean I'm affected by them right now. Always look up. You guys, what? Look at that. Believe me, you can't be in a place like this without them watching every single thing you do. Don't be like, oh, I think they're here, I think they're not. They're always there. You can't be somewhere like this without them seeing you, because you could jeopardize everything. That's why they're always here. Look at that teepee, guys. That's a teepee structure. That's an X, in case you didn't know, and all of that's off the ground. This is all seats. I don't know if I've ever sat in more seats in my life here, in this region. Every single one. It's all a playground. When I say seats, use that term loosely. X, seat, or playground, common area, place to run around. Usually they're round and cleared. Here's the clearing. There's seats. Looks like these used to be. See? They used to be seats there. They haven't used them. They moved here. I think it's to confuse for some reason. I don't know who they're trying to confuse. Look at that double trident on the ground. You guys, I've never seen more of those types of trees in my life right there. I swear. They're in every place, but they don't have a tree here that's leaning. That's not one of those. I swear. Look at it. Every single one is some form of a trident or a fork. I'm losing my mind. I don't just say that, you guys. I literally am losing my mind. And here's something we don't see every day. Tell me how that happened. Bigfoot, you're gosh darn right it did. This one that I'm touching is a giant trident, like every other. The only tree that's ever fallen in this forest is a trident. How is that possible? Nice leaner right there. I know I'm close, but watch. This is the most amazing place. I'm really getting in here, guys. Today is a little nerve-wracking at the distance. It's one of the most impossible things I've ever filmed in my life. You'd have to take that and put it all the way in at the end. It's impossible. Do you get it? Oh, you did that. So people, that's what happens to the guys. When I finally get to the point where no one can say a word, then they say, Mark, that's awesome. Too bad it's not real.
The reason I think this is legit is because of the parallel that goes right over top. They are directly underneath it, and there's a trident-like tree right in front of them.
Tricks. It's weird that there's a trident type of thing, a field goal trident situation right there. Remember, guys, I seen these guys, okay? I wouldn't be here ever. I would have left this years ago. By the way, you guys, you realize the bird has not left me, okay, in over 3 miles. 3 miles. No matter. I haven't seen him yet. He's right there. Can't see him. 3 miles I've been walking. We've had all kinds of talking. Oh, he's right there. He was right on top of that dead piece of wood right next to me. I didn't even see him. Oh, it's dark.
I don't know if I invited these dudes or not, because after watching your video a few years ago, I started taking photographs of like the cherry tree in my backyard, and I could see the little dudes on them. I mean, and what I've learned, Mark, is every full-size dude that you see with 5, 6, 7, 8 feet tall, there can be a 1-inch tall dude like that. So if you think about it logically, for them to survive and for them to move, it's easier if they're small instead of these, large guys. I mean,
Layton,